Welcome back to it, Mapagania. We back with another one, bafethu. Sibuyile Mapagania ngiphethe Machimose studio. We're here to analyze the game between Orlando Pirates and Marumo Gallants. Of course, we beat them, Mr. Mlambo 3-0. Umnandi.
We back with another one, Mapagania. Mfethu iwin sekuyinom. You saw much to win, mfethu. We were singing as always. Win is the culture of Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
And now you're getting this league, mfethu.
We getting this league. Mfana emarse umnani ntange steady no mfethu.
Like
Mapagania jawulele mfethu.
Arena.
Arena taka like mfethu like itana Kerkibo matara happy mfethu. Like you just enjoy yourself. You forget about matata alfati
Sure.
Lesikhathi siyahamba school nokuthi sekuyi 30 minutes.
Yeah. Yara wasumnati coast.
Mfethu top notch. Bekelibeke muna bekelibeke.
Go to Spanamnati Mapagania is sipping Hennessy there on the background. Me and Mr. Blambo are tasty.
Yeah.
And he said he's gonna organize Amstel for us, Mr. Blambo.
Yeah.
We're still waiting.
You must represent.
Yeah.
You must represent.
He said he's gonna organize. Where's the packet ice coast?
School.
Mina ngithe mashuta weekend.
Even during the week is good.
We will make it happen, but
Yeah.
let's represent it.
You must.
Yeah.
Let's jump straight into it. Mr. Mlambo post-match interviews.
Mayonnaise on the microphone. Yo, go check that out, my face. Everything I do, I know what you know. Go so down with. I almost stadium. It's therapy, cow. Like the things you
Sure.
It's red. Hey, that guy has energy, goes.
Yeah.
Yangzona, like him to stability. Uyasazi stability. You know stability.
Urile une stability.
Uyasazi stability. Uyangithola those things goes like make us laugh ukuthi sijabule mfethu. I understand that. Like mina those kind of things that are special for me.
Yeah.
But babaya mfethu. Abo babjwaha.
Sure.
Abo big keeper.
Yeah.
Abo brother. Uyangithola. You get to see like different characters.
Yeah,
And that makes us ukuthi it's cool as a channel.
Yeah.
And it's cool. Sikhulise le movement yamapagania mfethu.
Yeah.
Amapagania ashayile this weekend.
Mapagania Shaile. For those who haven't seen that one, Mapagania, go check it out. Mapagania, my nice, beautiful one.
Mayonnaise in the microwave.
Mayonnaise on the microphone.
The microphone.
Yeah.
It's a microwave.
Even before Kala interview, Jelen ikamu mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. It's again. All right, mayonnaise.
You clear your put up before color if it's ungakhohlwa ne.
Mayonnaise.
Yo,
Shout out to mayonnaise. It goes to who was your favorite?
Mfana na beekeeper ungishayile mfana ngikuzele ulegend kamnandi
Yeah.
legend lethu beekeeper did it for me. Then as well I like that moment anomutsa Tito wabona.
Yeah.
Ramatito went down the tunnel after the substitution. It's like, hey, mfethu, itito lethu. Yeah, lethu itito bakunenkinga soyilungisa.
Phethwe isisi, bonita masaladi.
Yeah. Mara imagine mfethu phethe isusu uzwenzani mfethu sofuna ukuyoma lapha ebenchini. Sheshe le dressing room first to relieve yabo. Yeah. So my standout was beekeeper,
Yeah. Although we are a Pirates channel, but sometimes you must talk the truth.
Yeah.
I can see so next. But we'll get into it. We'll get into it. Mine was Joachim, you know. Joachim fit angishaye supply.
Valentine's this year. Yeah?
Yeah.
Megu. Mese are
You know. A beautiful one if it from Joachim fit. Before Skyland. Is a ghosting like a kind of direction now background. Question ring. Timer, what like I timer. Oh, quite Joachim.
Legend.
legend.
Legendary. That's well as amanye amapagani amfethu abomabaso who came through shout out, you know. Abu Shaba, you know what I mean? Man, Emmanuel came through again, you know, always on the rush as per usual. We don't get forget it's on my own.
Roy was
Karam,
from the start.
Yeah, beautiful, in fact, yeah, Mr. Mlom. And then we saw Feti Pagani, we done it again, you know what I mean? It's almost expected if it's, you know, when you go to the arena, you're going to destroy someone. It's just unfortunate with Bazos Ninja Arena on Wednesday. Without wasting any time, you know.
By 10, new one.
One by one.
10, new one. You have a slice.
I think I said already. I said I cares, Pandan. Someone
cares,
who cares,
who cares?
But someone gonna post mention someone different. But you never know with these trends. Who cares? But because it's a big name, why jump on it and then so I wanna young so. And then thoughts on the game.
New one by 10. You have a slice. Tango you started well, mfethu. Siqale kahle kakhulu.
Yeah.
Okay, sibe nephutha ngishilo even on the weekend. Sibe nephutha la ka CM. But singamupha mfethu.
Yeah.
The boy has been so good like this season for us, yabo. Amaphutha like mancane.
Yeah.
Sibe nephutha bashaya ipali we came. We scored. Ntanga, I think it's us who score early ntanga this season. Yeah. And the way we start the games, it's so good. Coach surprised me ngendlela aqale ngayo. But it was marvelous to see abotita, abo-apolice, aborile bayenza izinto zabo lapha egroundini.
Yeah.
And goal ntanga number 1. Mina ngiyalivuma mfethu sisetshenziswe sibani. Beautiful goal. Beautiful goal. You understand? Goal. And that move happened again. Mara yenzakale ngathi emapalini. I think urile angaza kalithintanga kahle or what, you understand?
Yeah.
But that means we have a way of playing. The coach who instilled something to the players. Good see, this is us. This is how we play. Marumo was like it's not there. I always say Marumo is inzi.
Next. Apart from that one chance, last back I won. And a shout out to Sipo Chain in that. You know, I had a chance to look at it back. You know, he made a save in that.
I didn't see
On that chance.
Hey, I'm shy.
Okay.
I'm shy like him shy for my I'm told I direction and young of shy pa. Beautiful if it's from Sipo Chain, young in the and I don't think he got a lot of credit for that, you know. And the fact that we tonight because switch on immediately magabona vele veza phuma vele he made the poses small, young Beautiful. Who's there thoughts on the game?
I think Lena, I thought Marumo was gonna come out. Yeah, but they didn't. In fact, I think they were just sitting. They didn't do much. In fact.
Yeah.
Apart from, I think Utladice was the one that was trying to show his hand. But overall, in fact, Pagani always strong. Always creating a lot of chances, you know. Mapagani still in we could have scored more goals. I think Lewadu Lena was complaining or we could have scored more goals. But I think in fact 3 goals in fact is still a lot to one and Nagratar say very cool in fact. Lebo Sundowns, Lebo Chiefs batang. We still need to give them the treasure So I think a great performance from the boys in fact.
Yeah, why are you limiting them to 3? Yeah, give them 5. You must go there and destroy these teams. Beekeeper said it when we were down. mfethu labantu mfethu bazenzela ngasho
4-1.
mfethu. I don't even
Yeah.
want to talk
4-1.
about the previous scores because embarrassing scores, some of them, you know what I mean. So when we get this chance mfethu phela noma uthi uyabheka ntanga silibele sithi bhaka i-Pirates ne-Sundowns, but when you really look at it ntanga Sundowns we are a level above i-Sundowns.
Yeah.
Uyangithola into njani
Yeah,
bakarasa baring
Yeah, but, yeah.
in terms of the way we play, in terms of quality
Squad,
of
yeah.
personnel, even in terms of the squad
Sure,
overall,
overall,
yeah. We invested in this team,
Definitely.
and what's nice is that we didn't go big and go Brazil and sign
Kept it local.
we showcased our local talent.
Sure.
In terms of the game, we said it. These teams, they come up with good thing and they only defend.
Aye.
And I even speak ukuthi mara ndanga like bacanga ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani njengoba bese squadini bafika bapaka ibhasi angithola
But they don't defend intanga babukela nathi ama-supporter because if they defend we wouldn't score amagoli esiwakorayo.
no like
Yeah,
low
yeah,
block
yeah,
angithola
yeah.
into and they come there and they apply low block
Yeah.
angithola they'll only be one outcome angithola
Yeah.
into njani you're going to score of it
Yeah.
angithola so beautiful yeah we didn't start it well vele usiyema that mistake angithola and of course if you must have like one in the locker
Sure.
yeah kube perfect the whole season angithola when last did you do like such a big mistake? It's a long time angithola and I remember you used to complain about him a lot makaqala ukuthi always
Unamaholo.
gives angithola one or two opportunities but ever since mfethu that time mfethu it's been consistent
After that
angithola.
mistake uyenzeni
Yeah.
wabuya wadlala
Uke wabuya ngithola wadlala and I was sitting next to Mavo nanala mfana casual wathi mara kawazela tsala lena uthina lo wa negative itwa elalkarele fit rele fit asikimi hayi fana why basansi kiraye mna kawazela fito ebayari fito wathi sema mfethu khutlile mfethu da wantsola kile khutlile mfethu ene ya bontsha re nyoro through game time lena ntsa ya mature wantsola kile
Sure.
still showed confidence wantsola still played like confident passes wantsola
Yeah.
so beautiful overall mfethu looking forward to Wednesday I can't wait
I can't wait. Wednesday is
Can't
Wednesday.
wait. Wednesday kojo wari shakashara
Keep.
Okay.
Bafuna ebusuku
Wednesday.
ama-sunflower shine emini. Thina sibathole ebusuku.
Sipoko ebusuku.
Yeah.
Coach AP ntanga
Eish. Tanga coach AP has been doing so well but I mean akunento mina engayithandi ngayo. You too firm mfethu. We know you want to win the league.
yeah
Take nothing away. Ngiyamvumela we want to win the league Ghost.
Sure.
Mfethu angathathi yonke into yethu mfethu. Don't take us.
Yeah.
Ngathi like ufuna ukuthatha yonke mfethu. We not Arsenal, we not Liverpool, we not Manchester City, we Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
And we Orlando Pirates for a reason. Mfethu ushukela mele ube khona.
Yeah,
Yes, we
yeah.
could have scored more goals. But mfethu we can take it, Ghost. We
Yeah.
can take it. We've scored 3 after all ntanga.
Yeah.
We've played so well mfethu. Why mele mfethu size silwe? Sometimes ntanga kumele uze ulwe. Yeah,
that's a good
sometimes
point.
just let it pass. Ubatshela ukuthi maybe chance we can improve. Hayi ukuthi wena yonke every time ufaka igurash. That's why if siba ne problem sizobuyela sisho coach ukuthi coach uthatha into yethu.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
understand? Aka relax.
I gotta relax and it's like he's doing it for the public.
Yeah.
for the
Exactly. I wanted to
camera.
say exactly
So,
that.
anong damle jwanong re tlo criticize the player in public, you know. Once that serious face, you are
Sure.
I mean, you can just say, okay, we're going to improve then, and then I'll fit that dressing room. I was shout, I want
Sure.
I don't want this, I don't want this, I don't
Yeah.
want this.
Yes,
Not to roba peshe in public, you want all. Bola mtutu bona they wanna jump
Jump in
on
the
the train,
bandwagon,
one
yeah.
all, and then bona they wanna do the same thing. one all.
Sure.
That's a good point in Tangana. I may relax. I mean, if you
Mfethu.
just want training hill.
We've been winning,
It's a
Mfethu.
beautiful display. Everyone is here.
Mfethu.
Or you come here and sulking. You don't know.
I agree. In fact, I don't think it was necessary to make those comments. In fact,
Yeah.
if you're really frustrated, in fact, to sort it out in the dressing room. If you can't, there's training midweek. In fact, let's sort it in the training sessions. So and so, chance we need to score goals. So and so, yeah, let's extend the training session by 1 more hour. We're gonna sit here and score these goals.
Yeah.
Sure. I think that's more of an effective way than Joanong. Otolamba study player, chaze media, and then you can end up losing the dressing room, because in the player, this Tito, you saw Tito yesterday, or really dressing room straight, you know. So I think that's not what you want if you are challenging for the title.
Ndona, who do you think he was trying to address? Because that he said people don't run, they just jog on the field. Seems like someone maybe was training his feet, not so serious. So Nana, like who do you think or Nazama?
Yeah. Now for now, when I listened to the clip for the first time, like I was hearing Jay Ori, this guy is going at chef, like
yeah.
And then you mentioned the goal, and I was like, Tito, I wanna go like Messi when he anchor the player, and I was like, okay, maybe we'll like Tito le chef, especially Tito for the fact that you saw his reaction as well as happy, So for me, I thought Tito and chef were probably the players that he's going at.
For Tito for missing that goal,
lapha
but that thing that is not like Tito. Now what around the world, I mean, I want to miscommunication between two players. I mean, even this guy, he played at the highest level. Sometimes he want to go the same ball at the same time. I'm saying, I leave it to coast, I leave it to fire. And then you end up not kicking the ball, you know what I mean?
Yeah, but I think maybe he's looking at it, or Tito had a chance to shoot, and he took another extra touch, or he had another chance to shoot, and he took another extra touch. So that was.
But it's
fine. For you, were they not necessary touches?
I was happy with that play.
Yes,
it was just need to finish.
That's what I'm saying. I want after Zona di Pastel that maybe is thinking they were necessary. Like it was clear, goal like it was just him and the goal. So like defense in it,
the keeper was out. Yeah.
So there's no way or they were unnecessary touches. They were very necessary. Now for now, it was just miscommunication.
Yeah.
So who do you think he was trying to address in that situation?
Mina strictly Tito mfethu.
Strictly Tito.
Yazwa ngisho kanjani?
Yeah.
Ade. Shukuthi make lapha ya dressing room. Ube wamtshela, hey Tito, don't do this. Yena wamdonsa. Umdonsa adlala grand mfethu.
Fana yadlala grand.
He was playing so like mekadlala grand. Uyamdonsa. Yangithola. That's why when I started ngithe cela ngathathi into yethu.
Yeah.
Rivero used to give us wins with our own football.
Yeah,
we do not want to see Orlando Pirates ngayazi mfethu. We are not in Spain da. We are in South Africa. We're going to play the way we have to play. We're not saying akumela reprimand ama play, but have a way. You said it goes.
Sure.
If Mina now here we shooting, Nengo is doing something, you can't say hey Nengo in. No, I need to be a team.
Sure.
Just try SIT na Nengo. Exactly. Rectify there and there. Sikhula kanjalo mfethu.
100. Yeah.
Nandon, I think he was trying to address Master Chef.
Okay.
Because he kept on saying what people don't want to run, circus, football,
Sure.
And then, Master Chef again. Master Chef, Charlene Tozaki, I'm a trap and pose, we say move. I want to relax, and even when we defending, it's not one that will young to keep it on 100 for defend, I'll just in jet at each okay, young in danger. And then like came a look on the way come out. I don't understand like what is the fuss of him because Master Chef is Master Chef. Like Master Chef for me is not a player that that is going to change. Like even when you look at the body structure, the way he is on or he's been playing like this from childhood. So it's like he wants him to be maybe the same player as Talent Mbat.
Sure.
And they are two different players. Or Nomtajera, his favorite player. Two different players. I think he must just accept Master Chef is Master Chef.
So Master Chef ne. Ukhulile ku SuperSport umbula sha 22 mekarana cause didn't have a lot of weight. But mawukhula mfethu izinto ziyashintsha.
Yeah.
Understand? Iyashintsha uyacabanga ukuthi okay this is but effective. I said to you ku post match mangibuza ngithe uMaster Chef ungamfaka mawufuna win game, ungamfaka mawufuna maintain game, which is definitely what he did.
Yeah.
didn't only have to do izinto eziningi but if meka-addressa yena I mean aka-relax usikhulu mfethu.
Relax, ne?
Hayi mfana ntwana udlalile uchef ntwana
It's a chef.
he played so nice ntwana
Calm the game down.
calm the game, he managed the game mfethu, especially because neserentshitse le cash la
Sure.
wa bona, he was the one mfethu lo ranking we tshwere that midfield ke no dladisang mfethu, he's getting all the space da
Passes
komrao
on the
ko
side.
center one so on. Mfethu chef was nice.
Chef. I don't remember like Master Chef having a bad game.
It's very
Maybe
maybe one or two
I
mo
would
lo re
tell him
didn't
it's always
go, yeah.
again I'm fit to want
Sure.
to like it.
Especially our taller leader, just under pressure
Sure.
or anything.
Yeah, police.
So,
He's good.
rating tanga.
Eish, deserve 10 mara ngiyayafula mina nga-2 8 mfethu go easy on the players.
Yeah.
Please because mfethu kumele siwine ntanga.
Yeah.
And ukuthi siwine we must be a family. Akumele like so win league sivumela into ezincane like
Yeah.
zisimoshele mfethu ukuthi nangu umunye sekakwatile abanye they form the groups. That's how he loses the dressing room yakhe.
Yeah.
And he must pass off mfethu. The team mayiwina afanele everyone ajabule. I think he has been doing so well coach. If everyone is scoring omunye uyagijima lapho uyajabula. That's what we want to see. Aka stop mfethu ukuthethisa ama player on PR. Akawathethisi.
Yeah.
Mama bebodwa mfethu.
Sure.
Yeah.
I agree with the 8 in fact. I agree with the 8. I think it's a fair rating considering what we just discussed.
Yeah, no, definitely.
Yeah. Moving on to Sipo Chain.
Of course. Mfethu, that guy, I think maybe buma 15 games or 11 games this season. Asihlelele nje on a holiday. But when he is called upon,
Yeah.
uzovela uSipho.
Yeah.
And that's nice ntanga. That's a marvelous skill or maturity. Mawuhleli lapha itsizwe ukuthi mosalizi.
Yeah.
Eating relax. But yena maliza uhlala khona. You understand? And kunalamabhola la awasha esenza man.
Amaphasi,
Abanye unokwathola grand ne. Ay but amanye kunokukhala mfethu ngithola. But I think he has improved. Distribution wise, Sipho has improved and there's nothing much ongakhala ngayo and nothing much came to him ngaphandle kwaleya mistake. And you said it's a save. I didn't say it.
Clean
But if
sheet
it's a
as well.
save, goalkeeper of the season. Mark my words. Uyangithola. Goalkeeper uyaphika.
Lutho.
Oh ngiyabonga.
Bani content.
Goalkeeper of the season. Some guy 7. Nothing much was done, but for ukuthi uhlala khona mfethu, it's a 7.
Yeah. You agree with the 7th? I know you take it a bit higher to maybe an 8.
I would stick to a 7. I think he didn't have a lot to do. He was working from home, in fact.
Yeah.
But I'm happy with his performance, in fact. Even his
Distribution.
distribution
Sure.
on the foot, I think he has improved a lot, in fact. Yeah. On a lead pass out bona lena sa shaka confidence, in fact.
Yeah.
So I think he has improved a lot in my eyes, and definitely yesterday he had a good game. So. Yeah, 7 is fitting.
And now, for me, that save, that's a crucial save.
Sure.
That's a crucial
It
save.
was gonna change the game.
It was gonna change the I think no coach Wishilo what if they buried that chance, it was gonna be a different game.
Yeah.
If it was put that presence of mind, if it you see right now I need to come in and I can speed the one so like it and make that's a crucial save if it
Sure.
and then the fact that even after that same mistake he kept on playing him.
Yeah,
That's trust and obviously he's one of the senior players now.
And he's a leader now.
He's a leader. I don't think he's that old. I think he's like 24, 25. But when you check the experience that is accumulated throughout the years, you can count him as one of the experienced players to backlining. And you can tell already these young boys, they listen to him. They listen to him.
Never shout.
Hey, but for me, I think he still has to improve in a sense agency. Sometimes you do no shy save afuna ukulala. Mana nale yarile ntwana nikublomelo wena ne evenkhalela ughost ngithi mfethu ngarile wile mfethu count awantsola kilele ke nje and then he just left on the ball. Chain wanzola. You can just improve there. Ayawuchayela mfethu. He's going there. He's go in there, not that number one spot lakho squad.
Sure.
You can take it from that guy Williams.
And I wonder with those passes in fact, ushebe awuthithe bo Allison, dithola di assist fela jwa.
Sure.
Those runs really otswile in fact. Waisha.
Sure.
Olohlakana le yona 1 touch 2 shots oshanet. Keep on ala assist.
Yeah.
Oh, so
And
I
that's
think,
how you get up a notch.
Sure.
Once all like it. Sometimes a good goalkeeper goes to. You've been doing this throughout your life.
Sure.
Ball distribution. Since you keeper on assist.
Sure.
Your peers are doing it. Your peers, actually, even that Williams guy, because I know sometimes he gives like beautiful passes. Surely he has 1 or 2 assists. Pochettino now fit, he must get into that category. That one, if it and I wrote it out really, like assist. Gone.
But it's coming. It's coming.
Yeah, nah, definitely it's coming.
what's our mamela sipho? Utsesha.
Yeah. Most of these players, they listen to us. They listen to us. Moving on to our right back in Tanga, Van Rooyen.
Mfethu uyabona uyabuya.
Yeah.
Kanti la mina phela le yaya invert most of the time. Akusilezo kuthathela iline ini. Bheka mayiphethe ibhola ifuna ukungena phakathi. And I'm telling you about the first goal. Uyopasa
Yeah, Ghost he said that. There's something like you take out Van Rooyen or something. Kafeza hapo.
Van Rooyen asikayi foko. Ghost is reborn.
Ngizafana ukuakiwe ke take out ngiphume kuwe.
Umuntu ngadlala kahle sona.
Hayi taka. And mara nya understand that wasn't that at that time.
Yeah.
It wasn't like he was because u pick up level game ayani. But he wasn't bad as well. Right. I think njalo mihlanya
not ukuthi ngikhumbula vele ngiyamkhumbula ulibitho mfethu yabona but dawo ma second man bengifila ngathi angasigaya more than what he's giving us, and for me like it's just been these performances even like previous games, so yabona aphamisi man ma second
I think it's
it didn't start convincingly ntwana. Maybe wabona will admit maybe going progressing into the game maybe he became a little better wabona. But le di pasta man phela lana ke se frustrated fela mfethu na sha di pass nyana tse beta a tlamela nkerana mfethu wabona.
I rather you picky like you're picky
ngithi sakutshela ngefirst goal.
Yeah.
Phela dayimani uthatha iline le phambili apolice usemuva uyophasa apolice, then there's a space there lesukela sitholile ukuthi sithole umbuthumo.
Sure.
Isetshenziwe na ipass yakhe ingenile, and most of the passes mekawashaya lela game vele mekangaye phambili. Will give you goals that man abagayi line afaka ibhola phakathi, we can switch the ball. I think he plays so well and uyakhula, and umbheko uyamthola naseboxini.
Yeah.
Uyatholakala eboxini. Into maybe angayi-improve ukuthi makise boxini maybe ama decision making angakhula lapho. But I think the more aloku adlala mfethu uyabuya
uyabuya.
I think he had a stellar game yesterday. Not marvelous kakhulu, but uyambona, you can see the improvement.
Yeah.
Uhleli ku7 namanje. Like phela masuthi 8 uwe wawuthi mawuthi 8 uzothi outstanding.
Yeah.
Uyenzeka I don't think like uyenze bad, but he was not too outstanding because the way we were playing.
So
mesingadependelanga kuye.
Would you say he improved from the previous performances?
Yeah, I will say that.
And you've been giving him 7.
Yeah.
Even now he's still a 7.
Phela ngithi u7 uyashiyana. Mawubala like a minute ubala from 1 to 60. Iyakhula naleyo 7.
Oh, you know kuba 7.1 mara tsaso 7.
Ngizafuna bo 7.5.
Sure.
Yeah, that's
we
what
round
I'm
that
saying.
out.
It was not too marvelous.
It's a strong 7.
It's a strong one.
Strong 7.
Go 8.
Yeah. Yeah, but I agree with you. I don't think Vele was a 8 out of 10 performance, you know. But I like that I saw him. The way he's so composed on the ball. You can tell who is a ball. I abo 18 yeah uyicale vela ama basics akhona yangithola even defending yangithola
Sure.
so I think is a strong 7. Do you agree with the strong 7 Ghost?
I mean, I was leaning more towards a 6. Yeah. But man, it's a
Going
7.
to a 5.
Yeah.
Going down to a 5.
Nje, a 6, a standard
Okay,
6.
sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mara Ghost Nana, he's been getting 7 since so complain this game kaya 6.
And he played so bad.
No. Like even the previous games, I would say I was not. Yeah, but I was letting you guys because you are saying 7. Because uma second favorite gafaya, wayazi ufaya uhlezi. Mawuthi 6 uzothi 7, mawuthi 7 uzothi 8. Yabo.
It's a fair point. Go to the complaining ka 7.
Yeah.
Like he improved yesterday. You must all admit to improve with it. You can lead towards a 6
Mtshela uzobuyile bithi.
Ulithi khona. Liladlale.
Yeah, ufana wena wethu.
Yeah. Hayi. Ukrendo Fanroy.
Moving on to CM Mantang.
Khohle umadala leya.
Yeah.
That guy is old now. I feel like he's older than Spies. Ningangishaya emapakaniya in terms of playing. Mdala composed. Ulenzile iphutha. But mfethu like phela when you make a mistake, it's hard. It's easy ukuthi ubhekise ikhanda phansi. Ayisukumisa ingwenya. As much as they are not coming to us when they need him or bafuna ukumthatha ukhona.
Yeah.
Ula umile. I understand. And I think yesterday he also had a stellar game. Kuna the time libone CM uyahamba soon yaku World Cup. That was a bold statement. But they deserve mfethu nayo libone CM. They Smith esquadini. Ngamsunduzo Smith lapho. Lentwana edlala okhani. CM mfethu I think is slightly better than him. You understand. And he deserves to go and play World Cup ngizomkaya 8.
Yeah, no, fun. I think he had a good game apart from that first mistake. He recovered very well, in fact. Paganiel showed ukuthi in fact he have a Royce of a defender. I think in fact he's exactly there. In fact the same as gold, in fact. He's still young, in fact. Nandana Zidansusa goes to fit. Like he get easier to one, in fact. Like this level of performances, in fact. These young men, instead of the guy,
I think we didn't believe a lot in like the young players. I think now we are starting to be like, man, let's stick to the young players. And I think watch his boy to go back then Ball Remy, they were youngsters when they were introduced.
Sure.
But I think over time we lost that. And now we have it solid in fact. We have it solid. And you can see as well it helps TDC is performing well. So we can always source players, kada. Yeah.
And I remember that combination at
Sisuka good.
Shout out to go get it down. I go get it. Hey, that's fair. I like his spirit. I think we must remain now. Go background. No one motivated. He's doing a good job that side. Utum kayanga 8.
CM.
Yeah.
9 mfethu ngamgaya maybe singamncisha 10 nje for
lenzile iphutha phela.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying 9. I would give him a 9.
Should not
really so well.
No AP 9 mele simuse simise ku 9.
AP. AP ukre.
Man, now I think it was an 8 performance Ghost. I don't think it was that good.
For me, like it was apart from that mistake, everything else was like spot on. I like.
I guess we didn't have a lot to defend this.
Yeah.
Moving on to Podela and Hospice.
I ngafuna ukuphuma uPodlela. Ubini ibonile lento siyibonile. Ushaya ipicture ukuthi uPodlela uqala yalimala. Ngathi nyawo twistekile. hayi akafuni ukuphuma ndoda
Uqale ngileli.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
okwesithu futhi ngathi nyawo utwistekile ayibathi no so after game mfethu ayamangala uthi ebhodlela uphuma kanjani la mfethu was supposed to go out
I was supposed to go out.
bodlela angeke basithathe lesi game sakho it's yours mfethu captain yethu
Yeah.
but apart from that isoja nje ukuthi maka like you need isoja lethu yabo sudlala against Sundowns you gonna need him yabo
Yeah.
if uyakhabatheka mfethu akaphume chithi nyawo badlala abanye abantwana because there was no threat yabo but I think udlala eGrand makafuna ukukora futhi kuyakhala welcome magoli uyayikhumula le yakarili
ile first half ne
but urile naye could have scored
Yeah.
leli lize limdlule move
sure
yeah but I think urile uphaso uTito
Yeah.
urile naye could have scored ayimaka ubhodlela kananhlanhla le goal
ya belisemuva nyana leli ya
yeah milse move that's why ngisho ukuthi maka kudingakala inhlanhla kube ngomunye umuntu melizomshayisa nje uyangithola kanjani but I don't think udlale bad mfethu didn't play so bad bodlela mfethu captain yethu uyalwa mfethu washo imbokazi wathi insizwe eyilwayo yalwa le yansizwe uyangithola and he is a professional mfethu after all
Yeah.
you understand a hard worker someone who loves the badge and that's what we want mfethu if we're gonna win this league I think we kumele lift the cup because he has been with us mfethu siphuma number 2 alo yena noxoki kumele bashare you understand they must share it because they've been with us mfethu kuphansi nabo manje sekumnandi they are still here and that's what we like yangithola amabeloko lokubala it was not too marvelous but it was not too bad ngizomkai 7
Yeah. Uthi angithi udlale ngumgayi 8.
uCM
UCM.
Yeah.
Ubhodlela umgayi 7.
yeah ayikho into mebayiyenza
Yeah.
kahle iningi
Yeah. Do you agree with the 7 Ghost? Yeah.
football then
Yeah.
yeah and I was leaning more towards a 6 Spani besingekho phaya kakhulu yeah and on the ball yeah akabamba ngediski kakhulu
sure
so yeah 6 performance
Yeah, man 9. Bodlela 6.
hey mfiti ungonise mfiti Sema was on
I don't think they had a lot,
both
too
of
much
them.
to do.
Yeah.
And so, I don't think even there was that massive difference. And so,
sure
yeah, Bodlela, yeah, 7. I'll take a 7. He's our captain. If it's gonna lift that league title, coming up.
noxoki kumele bashintshisane
Yeah, no, it's okay. And then moving on to Ndawa.
that's a 10 with no fear of failure
Deserved.
mina I always say Hoto both of us
Yeah.
ukuthi Hoto is more experienced
Yeah.
but mfethu hayi sinawo amaflower wakho ndaba omkhulu mfethu you've played so well
Yeah.
that boy played so well on that game and he has improved kulento at least uGhost watch ukuthi hayi lentwana le naye nokuyithatha iline and meyithatha iline kahle ibuyisa amabhola amnandi I didn't see him ayenza izinto ezirong mangena noMuremi wa improve kakhulu ntanga because namabhola aguda akagayi uMuremi which is uMuremi kangakora or aphasa umuntu ndaba mfethu played so well
I never fun played so well.
it's a 10 10
I never played so well. If you don't know. And now I've been crying because squad rotations are cool. When you're playing against like weak oppositions, one to like these games are my room. Give Ndawa some minutes, one to like it. And I guess what if it? Oh, I'm surprised because when I'm one in yo. I was like, is this the same Ndawa of it?
Sure.
One to like suddenly had strength. One to like shows a lot of confidence on the ball.
Speed.
One to even touchline, one to like it. Even when he passes, if he's sure of what he's doing, one to I love the game for the Ghost.
yeah he was fantastic in
Yo,
Ghana.
I love the game.
I think 10 out of 10 in Ghana.
Yo,
Mningi,
it's a
mfana.
10.
Awudlalile kakhulu boy.
It's a 10 if it. Yo, I keep it up now. I keep it up if it.
I mean I think he's ready for that position.
compared to that performance make ngaloko ayenza so
Yeah.
singamsebenzisa
Yeah, far.
Yeah. But it's just one game, Ghost. Let's give him time. Let's give him time.
Uzombola.
Yeah.
Thina silivele siyambona so
Yeah.
this boy is ready. You
Ah,
catch up.
no. He hasn't been showing it. Let's be honest.
but then he was not too bad
Bekadlala.
But for me, it was just average. For me, it was just average. Nansa some convincing.
Lo muntu ubuye uthatha man of the match uyakhumbula manje ethi la average.
Negolu.
Kulama unane goal or deflection against Golden Arrows. He was the man of the match there.
Yeah, of course. It's only play to nama moments. I'm not saying ukuthi you won't grab a man of the match.
But check my games, my minutes are now for him to get a man of the match.
Sure.
So I'm saying,
Imagine usiyama udlalela ama-game ayingakhi, but I hardly saw him kuma man of the match, and he's been putting great performances.
Sure.
So that's a shout as well.
It's a shout. Ndaba has been so good. And there's something
Now for me,
I'm not a Barcelona fan. I think you know. But like there's something which Barcelona does. Yabo intwana encane mangabe iyadlala idlale njengondaba. Abayayifaka
Why? Yeah.
That's what we must implement now because le intwana leza ngithi you are on the high, you have confidence. Mkhiphe maso ubone ukuthi uyayehlisa. But make sadlala mdlalisi.
Exactly.
Up until ayehlisa.
Yeah, nami ngivumelana nawe Rantona 100%.
Parentang, you are agreeing with me.
Yeah, but no, I was agreeing with you ukuthi uHotho was slightly better in terms of experience. But now undaba mfethu usipha ama performance akhe. Now uyabona.
Because manje ngeke umpenalize nge-experience because angeke uzoyithenga va. Can't buy it anyway.
Yes. Now I'm not saying what Ndawa shouldn't play. That's not what I'm saying. Ndawa should play, but you must be careful on the games that he plays. Marumo Kalan, I'd like him to. But then if I were to do a starting lineup, if he's there, I won't be angry. Ndawa is there. He can play. But bigger games against Mamelodi Sundowns, I'm not expecting to see now.
My question is.
I'm not.
My question
but
to
now
you
I think
is,
he can do the job.
My question to you is this.
As a squad player, Antoine.
No, I'm saying in the Sundowns game.
But-
I'm saying in the Sundowns game.
but-
I can start him and I think he can do the job. Yeah, against Sundowns.
Against Sundowns.
Did,
So
did he have a good performance that game?
That goal, that goal.
Don't talk about a moment.
Pella
Like
is-
if you're a player playing
is-
for Orlando Pirates, you want to smash one goal. But that game, did he have a good
But the
performance?
team overall didn't have a stellar game.
Sure.
I need to be talking about
Niti scored, he made a contribution. We got a point because of his goal.
Yeah.
So my thing is,
And it's like individual brilliance.
individual
It's not
brilliance.
Like, yeah.
So my point is, Ghost, Hoto is having experience. You understand? Gunondaba. But if Ndaba is producing ama performances as well,
yes.
we are deserve ukudlala mfethu.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not saying it doesn't deserve to play, Mr. Mlam. I don't
Uthi
think
wena on big games, I understand you.
Because that also counts. I wanna the experience at the big game also counts.
Yeah.
So you must give it to him as a big game so
Yeah.
that you can say that he's played in a big game and he performed. So if you are then he's not gonna get that experience. Next season, no complain
goes right there. Nah.
experience out the big game.
Angithi
Bana.
Hoto sekayahamba.
Yeah.
Angithi Hoto sesiyabona vele sekakhulile uyahamba. This is the preparation we must make here. If undaba usipha so asimdlalisi, asimfake emanzini.
Sure.
If ke uyatonta, that's when
Exactly.
simdonsa,
Ntona yazi
simkhotha.
uyibeka
And
grand.
Danga is a young player. You
Ah,
shouldn't let
it's
him
not
at
your-
all.
it's not your- Foden was playing
You
3
shouldn't let him. If there's no backup, young tall, like we don't have much of a choice. But if we have a choice, manage his minutes. It's very important.
Danga, why are we
manage his
limiting-
minutes?
why are we
Danga,
limiting
I
potential?
disagree.
Why are we
We're not
limiting potential?
limiting.
What are we doing?
We unleashing it, kahle, in the right way, young tall in the
Ngithi mina kuwe,
Ntona-
I'm saying to him, iBarcelona if they find a Pedri
Sure.
today, uPedro uyadlala, uzodlala nakusasa.
Ball them
Adlale
feet.
kusasa.
Yeah, man.
Adlale kusasa.
But even
That's how
us, we are
grow.
doing that. Ntona,
Are
imagine.
we Barcelona?
Example.
But even check us.
Example.
Abu Rile bangenile
Uri
badlala,
ungenile,
Abu Kota
Abu
bangenile
Kota.
badlala, Abu
Abu Saleng,
Abu
Saleng was
Saleng,
young.
Abu Daring, Abu Ubanusiema,
Abo Pepe, Cesar.
Mbogazi. Kidintwana dikeni
Good,
kofela
good.
diadlala because they have the ability.
But listen to my point. I'm saying if there's a player who's experienced in that position, who we know in terms of ability, in terms of experience, in terms of big game, in terms of leadership, he's there. You don't have to play this young man even on big games. You
So
can
if he's
slowly
playing well-
introduce him to the
So
the
if
team.
he's playing well,
No, that's what
One
I'm
so like
saying.
that,
Donna.
like,
Phela, you can't say like in Ndaba, let's say 1 game or 2 games. Ndaba has been playing this season. If
Ngithe
it's
uthole the man of the match.
Uthole the man of the match. Ukorile is doing all the right things. He's performing. We are giving him a 10 out of 10 now. And then you are saying the next game he mustn't play because it's Sundowns.
the next game is
Okay, how is he gonna perform against Sundowns if he doesn't play against Sundowns?
So now I know cost is difficult because when for you between Otto and Ndaba,
Yeah,
when you say we're going to a big game, you're gonna bring in your Ndaba.
yeah.
One so if you go into a big game between Otto and Ndaba, who are you gonna
Mina,
bring?
I'll bring in Uhotu. I've been saying that.
Yes.
But what
That's
I'm
my
saying
rationale as
is,
well.
is
Once
what
all I
goes.
get at
What
it,
I'm
you are.
saying, I'll bring in Uhotu. But if Undaba udlala final, Undaba, uyakhumbula?
Yeah.
It's a big game against Yona Lemarumo Gallants, and he played so well. Was a walimala as
No, I'm not saying he won't play well in a big game.
Why are you wanting to keep him out if he won't play bad?
What I'm saying is, if there's a player, exactly, I get this guy is competing against Otto. For me, you must play your best players. And for me, Otto, in terms of not only even a play, in terms of other factors apart from playing, he has that in Ndaba doesn't have. And experience is a huge, huge factor.
So now
Ah,
we
no, I
are
don't
next
think so.
season. We are next season. Undaba khane sizomdlalisa kufanele solandele inye player kwenye team.
Undaba ulibele uyadlala angithi
Ma,
now
kuma
that's
big
why
games
we're
akadla-
saying him we slowly integrating him to the team.
Mina
Mina
ngiyamfaka.
futhi, I even said it on the last pod to say you can see at some point he's gonna own this position.
Yeah.
One all. Why rush him? One all.
He's
If
not
there's a
rushing.
But
player
why do
in
you
that
feel like it's
position,
rushing?
one all
When he's
like that,
performing
yeah.
and playing.
He's
Why do you feel
performing.
like it's rushing? Because wadlala Kren. It's not like Wamkenya, Wahluleya, then you like Ishbar, they are rushing this guy. He's not ready.
That's why I'm saying for me, Ndaba, this game is a 10 out of 10. But Mina, take this game away. Once all. I haven't been sold by Ndaba to say this left back is Ndaba.
But he was a man of
for
the
me.
match.
Once all. For me, yeah.
But he was the man of the match who came here Arrows, and that was a big game, Ghost. Phela angithi a big game is not just a team; it's also an occasion.
Yeah,
That's
sure.
why ngibale ne final. Final mfethu ungadlala ne team encane, but it's
Sure.
different. And if you can play ku final, it's another experience ukuthi wena. That means I'm a big occasion. Uyakhona ukuvela.
And then mina ngifuna ukubuza, what must he do to sell you? Yeah, now he's ready. Because he's giving us the performances.
uThomas go.
No,
Kumele
Mfethu.
ukuva ihot.
No, Ghost. Now I'm saying in terms of, and I just said this, Ghost. In terms of like many aspects of the game, Otto has that Ndaba doesn't have. One so for now, you don't have to rush. Now that's my thinking. If I'm the coach, I'm saying to him, Ndaba, I see very huge potential, and in the future, in the next maybe coming season or 2 seasons, you're going to be our main left back. But for now, I'm just gonna manage your position. For now, I'll put you in this small game. Sometimes on big games as well with Kenya, but you must know my main guy in that left back position is Dion Holt. If I'm the coach.
Nah, it wouldn't be
I
that
critically
wouldn't be
disagree,
my approach here, but
Yeah.
I hear you.
Yeah, 10 out of 10 performance. We shouldn't take that away from him.
Yeah.
He had a brilliant. I was really impressed. And then moving on to Ketleni Makaula Cash.
Naman Ghost.
Cash money.
Mfethu loya muntu loya uye osenza so.
Yeah.
Pirates. Uye mfethu osidlalisayo.
Sure.
I still say that. Mfethu cash ohlala collect amabhola esenza.
Yeah.
And nanikhala ngonduli ngithi mina amanye ama player don't have to do that. I remember me saying that. But you seeing that ku cash ukuthi at least iyasikhulisa because u cash uzokhona ukuthi recoverela amabhola. That means also cash makumele idlala uzokhona ukudlala amabhola.
Yeah.
Uphasa kanjani esayidini Ghost?
What?
Dala lo muntu.
Cash money.
But like is there ball recoveries ndanga and yiyo ke into coach engiyithandini njengoba umdonsa awumrecovery kamnandi. Angithi sempini seswinini.
Sure.
Uyamrelaxisa.
Sure.
That was good. Cash played so well.
Yeah.
Cash played so well. We are who we are, and you must check. Since Cash has came back, ukhona ukubona structure in the team. I'm not saying we did not have structure, but manje uyakhona ukubona ukuthi ay lapha endishini kunomuntu ogadile. Ziyahamba le intwana lezi asala yona.
Yeah.
Ashaya ispan. I played so well. Ngizomkaya ngayike. 9.
Hayi ntanga. 10 ile.
Angiyithatha. That's a 10.
Hayi, cash man
Ngiyamupha,
was
Nkosi,
solid.
ngiyavume.
Nike ntanga.
Nayi,
Yo,
ngiyakho, Cash.
fana.
Ngiyamupha.
I was fantastic, mfethu. Like, didn't put a foot
Marvelous.
wrong. mfethu.
Marvelous.
Nothing wrong. Yeah, like 10 out of 10
The
performance.
Black Balls badala sibancane.
Bana, cash man.
Thina sakamahlalela. Khohle.
Itevuli frichi kasebenzi.
That's ayithembi le nto.
Yeah.
That's
I don't know. I mean, for me, he's been giving these performances. I
think it's
even the previous game, it was a similar performance to what he produced for me. Going to a 10, okay, I take a 10. But for me, it was an 8 performance. Maybe a strong 8.
Ayikhulile. Yabo mangithi 9 correct uGhost ngiyayithatha that guy. Uyagezana.
I don't like iyakuwasha. Wena ishebile ka. Uhlaphapilo ratsaking uthi yakaya. Udlala disc mfethu. Uyangithola. Hayi, owns that 6 position. It's like full like mfethu if you want to play 6 go watch Cash. Simple.
Karen. Uzobona mazothi player of midfield of the season abantu bathi kanjani.
I dlalile le season mfethu yesterday. Impressed me a lot mfethu.
American me Mr. Mama he just came back.
Ngithi last season yaba kanjalo. Sengiyasho I'm just making last season he was a player of the season. You understand? Because season to Megazen. This season maybe into engamlimiter is the number of games. You have a point. But if maybe uqale nayo aqhubeka so, ngiyayithatha futhi.
He's been fantastic.
Moving on to Nomtachela.
Kuna lapho kubhuwa angazi mekathi ulimakile lebhola kuliyenzini.
Yeah.
First half ngathi phezulu so ube walibamba ikhumbula iGhost lento le ngeenyawo so.
Yeah, I think I remember. Yeah.
That was a beautiful moment.
Sure.
Hey, Masindi, it's always there, always running. You understand? And sometimes you might not see what he's doing, but he's effective. Like nalok gijima kwakhe, thinta abantu nje kancane. You understand? But like there's nothing marvelous engasho ukuthi ngiyibonile. You understand? But the energy yakhe asayincane. Uzamile ukukhela akayithuki nale esithuni khala ngayo nithi it was a poor bekumela pass uTito. Mina I thought ushaye grand. Ukuthi nje mekumele nje aqinise like uyangithola. But I don't think he had a bad game, but he didn't have a good game either. Ngamguy 7.
Yeah, I mean, I'm to one of these games. That's where I'm expecting to see one of Tachela. Young Tall in danger. Rest of Mata, you don't have to play Mata in this
Good
game.
one.
Young Tall in danger. And he came in. If it Young Tall, he had a good game. Young Tall in danger. He made a lot of running. Young Tall. Progressive passes, Young Tall in danger. You know, tiyasebenza mfethu, tiyasebenza nomthatela ntanga. Uzombona nje alibela yabe. Young Tall in danger. I think it's a strong 7.
Yeah.
What do you think of Nomtachela, Coast?
Yeah, I think John Wick had a good game. But now I was looking forward to Mbata, man. When I saw, I'm just saying, when I saw that lineup, we were just missing Mbata. For me, I would have played Mbata for Nomtachela, and I think that from midfield going up, we are the cream of the crop. So
you must be cognizant of big games that are coming.
Sure.
Yeah.
And I was Mbata's injury record.
Yeah. Sure. Now that's why I'll take it. Or come rest via the coming game. But I'm just saying, when you see that midfield, you're like, if there was Mbata there, you have Tito, you have cash money, then there's a police.
You feel like it's like that.
Sundowns. Hopefully our coach hopefully he didn't drop Mbata now. Now he's gonna go with Nomtachela now. This guy.
But that's very likely.
He has been doing it. Young Don. Moving on to Rela Mufuki. El President
uthi Tito nami ngiyakhona ukuyenza lento eyenzayo 3-3 ushaye hat-trick yama man of the match nama goals.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Uyabona these small details, they make you special.
Yeah.
Urile mfethu sekamdala mfethu in South African football. No akawini league uboy ahamba ayodlala port.
Yeah.
Sobonga mina ngingabonga. Akayiwini league mfethu ahamba ayodlala port. Uboy usigayile. And uboy ubuye second round of the season. I said to you, this thing is a marathon. The league is a marathon. And otamaso yofika kunzima now uyezwa. Now if you can say you studying, you jogging, maybe uyophelela vava. Maso uzofika kunzima.
Sure.
There are a lot of things ukuthi for him to come back second round of the season ubuya ku AFCON, people were bashing him ukuthi they didn't play so well. Mentality mfethu. Cocomelon is there, izinto zazenzakalela, umsolani.
I'm so that.
Copycat kutito. Pa. Ure. So celebrate. Cocomelon at the Stella game mfethu. Akadlala uboy. Abangamstop. It's a 10 from me.
I take it 10.
Three goals, 2 assists in 3 games. You said numbers, Twana.
They
Twana
counted
is
him
giving us the
out.
numbers.
Babe bamcounter out. Iphupho lomuntu alifu umnikazi esaphila madoda.
Yeah, kanjani.
I really fit to really special with you.
One of a kind.
Special. And I like the fact that coach, you know, as it's already nearly Renza Munza,
Sure.
that is out of position. One so I think Cocomelon go to your thing.
Sure.
You've been doing it. One so
Sure.
nothing changes. Let's continue. Young John in the I think in fun I had a beautiful game, fun. Yo, even that dating, that assist Yambutu.
Oh.
We share and on.
Umenze
I
goal.
got a high level of IQ.
Sure.
That run if it from deep.
Yeah.
I ain't got like if it one
Sure.
you. And even the first touch it. Tala diskele ne bale ile.
yeah.
Khuda ka yi. Oh yeah, beautiful.
Le
president goes.
Ke re le mbutsu mara phela o mkaile. This is
Mina
like
ngeka miss.
Yeah, mona ele ke tepile onzola ke tepile
Sure.
onzola. Of Parul get to him onzola. Skomota, I don't think he'll be there. Parul get to him onzola. I will get to him. I'm not happy about Skomota. I wanna say now, I'm not happy onzola. But I'm fana yo, I president fit. I let him play fit. I wanna fit to Baba Mbaka rest ka di PK mi Baba Mba ising ngabana rotation. But just keep related.
Sure.
Like relays our Messi ndana onto.
Yeah.
Messi you playing Girona, Messi should be there.
Yeah.
Sure.
He
Must
playing
say.
Champions League final, Messi should be there. Onto. Yeah.
And the
Even
fans
though
want to witness really also.
fans, yeah, we go to the stadium,
Sure.
we pay our money to see you. President Amashi
Sure.
That's the image of Orlando Pirates at the moment.
Yeah.
So, some guys said he deserves a statue there. I want
nobody
argue
would
there. I want argue.
And with this contribution already.
With this
fit.
contribution,
Look at the age.
Sure.
Look at
at
the
his age.
Yeah.
No one's all. Pela, this league title that we're going to take, by the way,
Sure.
it's very
Tell
special.
her.
Yeah.
It's very special, Coast. It's not like, because I know after you're going to dominate this league for a long time, Mwanzol. But this one,
The first one.
it's the first one after
Sure.
a long time, Mwanzol.
Yeah.
So this one, Fetu deserves a player in that generation who was a superstar.
Sure.
Mwanzol.
Sure.
That's
Give
real.
real, daddy, Mwanzol.
but-
If no stage, you give him number 10. Yeah,
Sure.
Fetu. One of the two.
Mwanzol.
Mwanzol. Fetu.
I'm a stage mfethu. Phela si arena thina we deserve statues mfethu.
Yeah. But
Sisila.
definitely after this league title, in fact, Renka Cup 3, everything domestic. Let's give the boys some statues.
Fetu darum kai, Fetu darum kai.
Nabombokazi bazosifuna kuzokhale
Uvayile umbokazi, nta.
no time.
Ngamaneska uchayine ngama clean sheet ile.
I ghost. So saying,
no baningi nemnyama all just deserve mfethu.
Yeah, mara 3-4 players in fact bashapele stage nyana bali 4
good.
ngathi baya celebrate.
Well, to Pela really now know to now I feel like the coach Sarona like I so understand you sometimes keep pleasure. Really shouldn't be doing a lot of covering, a cover level hold to out of position. In fact, keep him there.
Free roam,
Or
yeah.
atshwara disk always loro mfethu moya omnati.
Yeah,
So like once he has moya ntwana,
Sure.
he can do anything. That guy with that ball, he can do anything.
Walks past
But
defenders.
the one let us not plan. Let's give the ball to Ray.
Yeah.
Give it to Ray. Or
Sure.
like your child of it. Your child
There'll
and
be a
produce
difference.
something.
Yeah.
I want to show you something uReal akayiyenzile ku Pirates. Yambo uLodge was an important player kanjani ku Pirates.
Yeah.
Nabo Tiko. MawuReal basaphasile mina already ngiyasho manje.
Yeah, I know.
With what he has done,
Definitely.
goes
Definitely.
the contribution, the
Definitely.
goals,
Definitely.
the carbs mfethu.
Yeah.
uReal mfethu udlule our big stars.
Yeah.
And really does it in big games as well.
Other than big games, in fact.
Yeah. It's not
And
like
if
just
there's one
the-
player, I'm feeling more like everyone loves him.
Yeah.
Fethu kikirile.
Sure.
Like even le Makosi, le Masandawana, like
Yeah.
I wanna acknowledge Rontane is special. Let's
Can't
just
hate
give it to
him.
him.
Yeah.
One so like you can't hate this guy.
Sure.
One so
Yeah.
it really is too good. It's too good. 10 out of 10 in Tanga.
Sure.
Agree with you. Ghost.
Ah,
Agree as well.
definitely.
Moving on to Poli, police.
I wasn't too impressed ntanga ngaphandle kwale leya loop yabo. First half I think he was better. Nokuthi akadlisa ibhola. That's his ability. But I don't think he had a good game for me. Ihe wamfithu angazi upass wamreme esayidini. Idla.
Yeah.
Tap in baba. Idla sekhoneni. Couldn't. But naye umuntu I understand. But I don't think he had a good game. That's why I said to you, mina ukuthi bakhipha uTito bekungamane bakhipha police lela game. Not because he's a bad player, but on that game mega high. Bekungasuka police esimaziyo ngizomguy 6.
This is from Mr. Mlamboko.
6.
I was leaning more towards a 7. Yeah.
Yeah.
I also don't think he was his best of games.
Sure.
But he was still there. Well, I think semi-assist as well. Kakuli Mbutuma, Keno Kaileng Rile. I think he had an okay outing. I would have given him a 7.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm on the fence, and I'm trying to think. He didn't really do much here now, so I think Mr. Mlamu has a point, and but he was there causing some problems, and yeah, I take a strong 6, and so I'm leaning towards a 7.
Sure.
And moving on to Tito Maswangai.
Tito. Tito.
Papa.
Mayonnaise on the microphone. Mina uTiti man of the match yami baba. Umzwile. I think like intanga it deserved. Ngisasho namanje. Yes, ulenzile iphutha sali mfethu. But at least ushine no look.
Yes.
That's what I love to see. Mfethu. And you see ama Bharani embrace them ayeqeda ukukora. Just loved intanga. I understand that guy is there's love-hate relationship namafan mfethu, and it's huge. You understand? That means it may impact akayenzayo.
Yeah.
I do not want to speak kakhulu ngokuthi bamsaphile yenzani. Mina ngibone akayange emaplayini like Hunta. Ngibona Hunta lawa on the bench. Angimbonanga makuya kuma tunnel what.
Yeah, we go turn it.
Yabo. Angimbonanga mina. Yeah. Noma yile mfethu ushilo keep ukuthi mekaphethwe isizwe and then nathi sonke sineyinkinga. And phela mfethu this is sports. Mina I'd hate to see a sport team engana ingxabano. Umoya yaba phezulu. Izwa mfethu ngidlala grand coast. If you've played ngidlala grand coach ungidonselani. And like bake bamdonsa before nge34 minutes. Wayithatha. You understand? Ukuthi nayo bewahluthuka if maybe like uyera ukuthi amaka coach man mfethu why ungilimit. I'm not justifying sibala ukuthi the actor kayenzile it was good. But we must take it bafethu. Nathi mapakania, nathi ma fans, we all human beings. Na emsebenzini unokwad. You find yourself doing ama mistakes. Everyone does ama mistakes. But I mean I don't think he was supposed to bamkeep. That's my thought.
Yeah, I don't think you were supposed to be taken out. I had an excellent wow, that's a wow performance.
Sure.
I'm telling you, that goal was a cherry on top. It was literally he had that game on his back. So like it coast to it. No coast I can't like Bescala see to everything marumpegil Tito of it. Like everything that he did in it was like top notch until a top tier until Tito Mfete, Tito Ndanga is a quality player, and I agree with you, young Zol.
Sure.
He doesn't deserve this treatment that he's getting from this coach, young Zol.
Yeah.
He doesn't. One Zol like it. Considering where this guy is a senior player,
Sure.
he's not a young player that you can just play around with, young Zol in danger. This guy gave us titles, young Zol in danger.
Sure.
You can't be treating, and it's not the first time we're having this conversation.
Sure.
Like Kenya, though
Yeah, very
I'm not
disappointing.
condoning Glenn now what he did. I think he
Sure.
was wrong. He was supposed to deal with it better. But he has been dealing with this situation better.
Better,
And look
though.
at why he's finding himself. I think Lena is a player. Like a very hit of the game.
Sure.
Like in future, like everyone understand in future.
Yeah.
Tito is up. Like what's happening?
Sure,
Like
sure.
Tito was of it. It was literally, he was carrying that game. He was carrying that game.
Wapolisi we
Mwanzo.
ngeke hayi ukuthi sithi wapolisi akadlali ini.
Yeah.
But on that game
Yeah, sure.
bangadonsa
sure.
police ucoach naye must take accountability kwezinye izinto akazenzayo
Sure,
because yena
sure,
ngathi
sure.
unalento le I'm the boss I'm the what no nasikhathi kubheda nama player lawa miwanayo
Sharp.
let's ama players okudlisa ngesipani.
Yeah.
But in fact, now I feel like in fact, as you are saying, Tona, like Tito doesn't deserve this. In fact,
Yeah.
What all? He doesn't. In fact, for now, in fact, before that substitution, he was a man of the match contender.
Man of the match
Yeah, better than
contender.
Rile.
Sure.
Oh, I
He
understand.
was. Sure.
And no check out if
sure.
it out here we share I dlala number 10. Like Isha sponsor number 10. We gonna play. We gonna play when
sure,
Tito is there.
sure.
To answer our getting is you get the chances step high and fit. It creates a lot of chances in fit. Oh, but in fit I would say what do I don't know. Fit what he has against Tito. Tito runs in fit. Tito does all the right things. He scores. He assists in fit. And then you're gonna keep treating him like this. This is not fair.
It's not fair at all, in fact. And you can't blame him for that chance. He made it himself, that chance. in fact.
Yeah.
It's not a tiki-taka,
Sure.
Mr. Tepi.
Why
He
cream?
made that
Yeah.
chance himself.
Sure.
If he wants to shyless, I think, in fact, you can allow him that. In fact. He has been doing so good.
Sure.
Even if it's, and as I said, like it's
Communication,
miscommunication.
no
matter.
Mutuma is not there. Tito is just
Because, yeah,
one dollar
tapping,
passing the
yeah.
net. If it $1 of it,
Right.
Tito yo.
Mina yazi into engibhorayo ntanga abanye angabavumela
Yeah,
masindi kunina mesa mahewa
sure.
masindi kunina mesa mahewa
Sure.
Sure.
ilento mesikhala ngayo akangabi ne-favoritism size sibone nathi
Sure.
phela uTito
Be
naye
nine,
umuntu uzokwata sibani
Yeah.
nami ngingakwata ukuthi hayi lo coach lo yami ekabelieve kimi lo ngathi akafuni ngibe la
Sure.
hayi kuzohamba yena phela.
And there's something about a riding, like a big squad. A big squad is not just winning games. It's about how you manage this squad.
And
Once you lose trust in that dressing room, you can take the league now. But next season, you can be in shambles.
Sure.
Master Chef sebashalka, Tito basalka, so na the caucus, dressing room, things are not going well. In fact, we have a golden generation. We need someone who's going to manage this
yeah,
generation.
yeah.
You don't need someone who's arrogant
Yeah.
and wanting his way or the highway.
Sure.
It doesn't work like that. In fact, football has changed. In fact,
Collaboration.
Collaboration. Lebo mandla lebo wana ra, in fact, they must
Call
give
this
him
guy
advice.
out.
This
Yeah.
guy, in fact, this is not how we do it. Let me show you because I've been here.
Yeah.
This is how we manage these players. We don't want another situation here.
Saleh.
Saling. We don't want that.
Yeah.
Last
He's
thing
creating
we need.
that. Yeah,
He's creating that.
Yeah.
And on the only number 10 that we have. That guy is the only number 10.
Yeah.
Which player this season has played so well in that number 10 position? Like
How many
Tito
games
Fit?
has he played? How many goals does he have?
Does he have? Numbers in
I'll
the
see him too, but
Batla Mosini.
mtofita tsi bo batlang mo fete go Tito mfete wa ntsola a tsi bo batlang
Awume wadu. Awume.
ang ntsola and mfete wa bona lineup ele grand mfete for me lineup ele grand you just change
Nomtatjela.
Masindi
Yeah.
Nomtatjela for riding
But-
ntsola yeah and then you change ndaba for me futhi yena ukuthi wantsola ke tswela Tito la futhi like leave Tito la wantsola because Moremi lena futhi he hasn't been giving us those like drop the beat wantsola ke Tito is there, he deserves to be there.
That's what I believe in faith. If you are performing in faith, to play. Play if you are performing.
Yeah. Tito Masanganya ntanga somkaili rating.
10 bithu.
10 out of 10.
It was a 10. If
It was
a 10.
Udlalile lo.
If udlalile.
Uyapressa, uyenza konke.
Does everything right.
Moving on to Fanaka Koko Coast.
Mbuthuma. Ulihlabile uKorea.
Shayile sponsor yakhe. Shayile
Striker senza njalo.
Yenza njalo striker. Azifuna ukuma left wing.
And I think that's what helps you as a striker. Even maybe when you are not having the best of games, but you can tap in that goal. Then it justifies your starting of the next game as well. So I think kudos to Mfana Koko. Sticks to that number 9 position in fact to give us that direction which is the striker.
It doesn't have to look far. It just have to look England and Haaland.
Haaland
doesn't do a lot.
Nothing.
Like Haaland doesn't do a lot. He finishes those goals. And I think Mbuthuma lena ki khalibanyana I think this skill what he was doing previous games and of form stick there Mbuthuma. Stick there Kishi save them. I like that display. I like that. I don't want my striker to be much too involved. Gaming. Back pass the pie. Plomada.
Wait for your turn.
I eat more sharp.
Cool. That's all we want.
Beautiful from Mbuthuma. Mr. Mlamo Fanaka.
Beautiful one, dang.
You don't know to champion.
Ngimamele. Next. Beautiful one, dang, from Mfana Koko uyangithola. And this is what yabona ucoach uyayenza ngayo uMbuthuma. Grand. If uMbuthuma akadlala grand, uyabelieve kuye. It's a good one. Siyamupha le. Believe in your players. That's nice ntanga. And you believe kuMbuthuma. How many games since uMbuthuma aqala ukudlala uyadlala kanje. And he's getting the goals. Maybe not 6 this season or 7. I think personally for him it's a great season. In a shirt of Orlando Pirates. It's not easy ntanga for this page. It's not easy. But I think he keeps on. Wameyisa ku KF Ghost. Wasukumisa ikhanda mfethu. Keeps on going. Yazibona lezi zase KZN Ndaba and Mbuthuma, they came to Johannesburg to work, and I think that's what they've been doing. Coach is believing on them, which is good for them. I think was not too much involved in the game, but he scored. I think he didn't do much, but he scored.
And imagine if without TFI, this season is gonna be in double digits in terms of goals. Like for the club. So he's going for that record. Can you see this? 5 seasons he'll be the leading goal scorer at Pirates.
Yo, and it's not that 50 goal record. Let's be honest, it's not much.
It's not.
Give him 3-4 seasons.
That's what I'm saying. It's gonna splash it very quick.
It's not. How's your rating, Coast?
I'm Fanaka Koko. I'm 7.
That's your rating, Mr. Mlamo.
I'm guy 8. I'm guy 8. That goal was worked. Ngiyabona manje. And the second one ibeyayenzakala futhi. Ngiyayikhumbula leyo move. But urile mega seboxini that time. I think uzamile ukumthola kamtholanga. If uyakhona ukwazi i-depth sekumele ube kuzo. Mina Messi ku7 fan uyacava. Ronaldo uhlala lapha. Kuthi likushayile kanjani siya celebrate asekhoneni, and that's what he has been doing yabo. Angeke angimsoli.
Mfana nami angimsoli. I think that's an 8 performance for me as well. you put him there to score at least 1 goal.
Yeah.
Once he scores that goal, he
Scored
becomes
it.
8. I sharp crazy 9-10. He must stick if you do. I can't wait for Sundowns. Give me Sundowns.
Aye,
Give me
sasa.
Sundowns.
Come
Nah, man,
Wednesday.
Give me Sundowns.
Wednesday.
Please. I'm telling you. It's an 8 for me, and then moving on to Mure Mindanga, who came in for Maswanganye 55 minutes.
I think ungena wadlala grand naye.
Yeah.
Yena no Ndaba mfethu they have good relationship. Makuna lenkhala ngayo ukuthi mfethu uthatha lo muntu. I think it's you or Ghost mengihleli phambi kwakhe. Athi hayi mibaza bayi 5 in. Mina kumele akhahlele lebhola le abashiya.
Oh,
I think for me it was a counter. Mikazokhona ukuthola. I think ngokhala ngokuthi ubheka uSikhomota uva ungara.
Yeah.
I think mina ngabathatha mfethu emashini. But I don't think he played so bad. And I think uyobuyisele wapolice lela hewa lela ukuthi idla school. Yena nonda he was there. Uzamile ukushaya. Uyayikhumbula leya move leya lele goal lakhe le top corner.
Yeah.
Uzamile ukushaya like forced leya.
forced,
You understand as much as adla limited time, but I think there's always positiveness from uThepang Moremi, you understand.
Yeah.
Nothing much was done, but nothing less was done also. I'll give him a 7.
Yeah, close the 7 though.
Yeah, we can take it. We can take it.
You can take
Exactly.
it. You can take it. Hey, moving on to Evidence Makgopa.
Ngwana tonight. Kubanda kushisa kumnyama kumhlophe mina ngwana tonight mfethu uwe ngwana sisi score sikhulu. Yabona mfethu labo abofaya mfethu uyabajabulisa mfethu abo Ghost.
Sijabula kanjani ngakho
but Sikhomota. You're not able to do that. Ability yakho awukhona ukuyenza lezi. Man. Sikhomota.
My question, and it still remains. Me more Pagania angangisiza kuma comment.
I've answered you. I've answered you.
Yeah, when I would say yes, the
I
ability.
said to you, here's the ability.
Yeah.
That's why he managed to do it on the international level.
Yeah.
Lama goal was score.
Yeah.
Yes, the strikers nama goal up. Yeah, I understand. That's nama goal up. But I don't think it's an ability thing. Sometimes maybe I know which ukuthi use coffee use sofeni drinking coffee there. Melavuye mfethu, melavuye.
Ghost, what do you think of Manasisi?
I wanna say Sinfit yesterday.
And I will mean.
And
Then it's even training to talk about him. Then after that performance.
And like it's gonna be now like we are taking him and whatnot. But like it was like not a good display in fact. The chances that he got and missed were terrible. In fact, terrible. I too. In fact.
Ilibnali lela chaya side
Kona lela shaya side kona na lele.
Angithi lele zile athi uzamukela.
Shango left
side. Kona lele
shango left.
Yeah, left.
Aze uzuthi walisa ku left.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Kona leli ili makaqeda umbekela lona awona la ushebile
Sure, tamla shapene.
yeah mfethu like in balance is in control of everything. Is in control of everything.
Sure.
Good. Awona lelinye ilibhalo lelinye mfethu. So if you tell him you're a strike, you want to plug it there.
Yeah.
At least if anyana.
Yeah.
Ayisika kukhona flag.
Yeah, that's also a point. Yeah.
Like mfethu.
Sure.
Even there's this other one, Mosaiti. What's you doing on ifika? Kamla erka left to fella cheap keep. I erka right. That's where that question came. So if you think like sometimes goes to fit once or sometimes maybe I'm trying to teach you something once or it goes. This is A, this is B, this is
so for X.
Is no lane. And then ukinze kushaya lelinye simple man this is A wabona ikushapa moto kanti intwana awukhoni wantsola like you need a specialist to thusa ngo wantsola mtho maybe you need a sponsor maso and there's nothing wrong wantsola that's how I felt Sikhomota fethu come on that like bury that chance intwana like bury that chance
no excuse there
da mfethu da ghost mfethu ghost munna da fethu akawaya lida 6 I think yokwatela like ngasuringise bo ma 2 weeks
besatheso
intwanga beka ngalimisa ne but ukulmisa wakho you'll see what I was trying to do
It will be
You
close.
can't
Yeah.
see what this guy what he was trying to do.
Sure.
He was trying to kill that ball.
Yeah. That was
Or
fun.
at the end of the day, it looked like a clearance.
Sure,
No,
corner
no,
flag.
put what bagara corner flag here. He didn't do it once.
Sure.
Even that one. I want to use symbol lefty.
Yeah.
I don't remember that guy scoring goal left. That guy we told him come right in the dula.
Sure.
Why ain't some left? Guess what? I expected that once. He took it to the corner flag once again.
It's an ability thing.
I was like, this guy. Like, what more? What more?
And I'm about more boxing a shady taping, so you don't really
Exactly,
know what is this guy
like-
gonna give us.
That's actually fit on that element. Or mtu to stick more boxing.
Sure.
Da mfethu. Muri mutshwara diski. O hlalla police
A
kana.
police
Ha
ka
ro
re
msheba
side
skomota.
Yeah.
O kana kumrao kana una le Van Rooyen la
Sure.
kumrao. Skomota kanti mfethu what must we do mfethu? Like Retse mfethu Mr Mlambo. I know he's your favorite player. Ndangasenzini ke.
ngithi mina umbuthuma naye wayenza amaphutha makasimpage kangaka. He had a bad game mfethu. We all had
Mara
bad
kone
games.
ezinye
But,
iphutha
but we
njalo.
do not ask the ability thing. I've answered ufire multiple of times ukuthi if he did not have ability mekangeke mfethu.
I think you were saying ability yokushaya le goal bekafuna ukuyishaya.
Sure.
Ukuthi ayiplage la.
I got it
yabo.
wrong mfethu.
You think so?
Yeah, I got it wrong. Uzoyithola bafethu. Uyabuya isikhomi.
Nice.
Ashimfana, I think we let Luthuli go mfethu. He's still radio man there. Who else? I know we have someone else.
Ticho.
We have Tichong as well. And so on. I think they deserve a shout, Mr. Mlambo. Don't you think they deserve a shout?
I mean,
I'm not saying they must start,
I'm telling you, my games are different. I always tell you that. If the game livumela uSikomoto ukuthi aqale ukuthi uSikomoto uzoqala. If the game livumela uMbuthuma ukuthi aqale uMbuthuma uzoqala. Ufuna ngike-explain
Phela wamutla Mr Mlambo re green. Sikomoto right aqala. Sikomoto aqala game yami alaw. Wantsola re kire ngizwa. Eh phela ke justification ya
ngisho
thing.
kanjalo. Hayi ungizwa.
Because
Ungizwa wrong.
angithi no Mr. Mlambo, what I was trying to get from you. Which now he lost his place on the starting 11. He's on the bench.
Yeah.
And the likes of Abu Radio Pani, Abu
Tichong.
Tichong, the two cases he left. They can Tichong Padi is also on the bench.
Sure.
But I'm saying someone like Radio Man, he can't really get on that bench. He's trying.
My
but he's
question
not
is
getting
one,
on
ukuthi
that
thina sikho fair. Last week miskhala ngokuthi uMbuthuma has lost form. Kodwa we said uMbuthuma akaqale. Go said it.
bench. I mean, I
Baru
think
yakora mina would say Mbuthuma mfethu. Phela check.
Mekagcine nini ukora?
Ugcine nini ntanga?
Mekagcine nini njengoba kora manje?
Ugcine nini?
Angibuza wena. Mekagcine nini
that's
ukora?
cool.
Ntwana
He
mara I
hasn't
don't
been
think it's a
scoring.
lot of games.
No, but he hasn't been scoring mfethu. Ama-game adlulile isikhala ukuthi
Nah,
uMbuthuma
but like the game nyana tse few and let display high and say that confidence. Abatla go side thing
what I'm saying.
all.
That was like 2 games nyana etswang yona before this one.
uSikomoto how many games adlale njengayizolo? Alandelana so.
Ay mina ntanga. If you ask me ukuthi Sikomoto udlale grand nini ntanga. That's a difficult thing for me to
That's an
remember.
agenda school.
It's
Lutho
not
ntanga.
Mr. Mlambo.
Lutho pro.
Not Mr. Mlambo. It's not.
Namagame adlalile grand. Ngeke umuphi. Na le game lele sibuya kulo 3-0 uyobusela ibhola uphebani uPio Diong waphasurile beautiful pass it was a goal. You were happy.
Yeah. But that doesn't mean he had
No,
a fantastic
I'm just
outing.
trying to show you what I'm trying to show you. There are other good things, other aspects akawayenza. But I would say completely manje sekumele. That's why I'm making an example ngoMbuthuma. Mbuthuma hasn't been playing so well. We even said it no fire ukuthi abanye abadlali cause akadlali kahle.
So that's what I'm posing to you, Mr. Mlambo.
So
what
what
we
me-
say now.
Yeah.
That performance, it was a terrible performance.
That's
terrible.
Yes,
Terrible.
the weekend one. I'm taking it. But what I'm
Someone
saying
like Radio Man.
if iyayenzwa kuye. NakuMbuthuma make ngadlali grand ayenzwa.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's
Yeah.
Nami, like that's the way I see it, and
Sure.
that's how I think it should happen. You understand?
Yeah.
And I think you as well. You think that should be how we operate. I guess.
Yeah.
That's why I'm asking
And
you.
Ghost said it.
Someone
so
like Radio Man.
Ghost said, if you play well, you must play. If you're not playing, you must not play. He said it. But
Yeah.
Mbuthuma, if he's lost form, we must give him chance. Has been
No, Ntanga, but that's not what I'm saying. Ntanga, you are blowing things out of proportion.
Is it?
Ah,
Is
Ntanga,
it fine?
that's not what I said, Ntanga.
It was justified.
Mina ngithi kuwe uskomota. Like as ufire, the point ufire was getting at ukuthi uskomota now njengoba sebenchini. Should he not be dropped ukuthi kungena uRadio Man?
Ngiyabuya mina ngithi yes, because he's not playing so well, but ngiyabuya ngithi last week we've asked the same question.
Yeah.
Ukuthi Mbuthuma is not playing well, should he not be dropped when you said no, he lost form, he's gonna come back? Where's the balance? That's what I'm saying. If you're not playing so well, you must sit down abanye badlale. That's my point.
Mina that's why ngithi Ntanga, like I'm looking at the alternatives esinazo lapha ebenchini. For me to say ukuthi we must keep Mbuthuma sifake uskomota. For me that's not a decision I would make. You understand? No, I'm talking about ability wise.
Okay, now ngiye uDiyong. If Uskomot doesn't have ability, now uDiyong. Now Radio Pan.
Maybe the young singamzama, maybe Radio Man. Uyangithola.
Because let's be fair on the players. That's what I'm saying. That's my point.
So where have you not been fair? What you got to
Izwe. Phela mina wena sofaka uGhost this
ngiyakuvumela.
conversation was between me and you. Mr. Mlambo wona what I hate.
What
And
then what protect us come out. Let's be fair to players.
Like I need to sikhuluma iqiniso. Mina ngiyakuvumela. Did not play so well. He doesn't deserve to start against Sundowns. Then ngiyabuya ngithi no Ghost, like if amanye ama player wadlala iGrand asingathi mela aqale, then amanye if adlale awangaqali lokho lokukhala ngondaba ukuthi mela aqala ngithi if he's playing well, but last week we were asking the same question leyo ngibuza yona ngoMbuthuma. Ghost wathi no, he just lost form, he's gonna come back. I'm correcting him.
No, you know, mina for in Ghost's defense, I don't think in Donna like he was considering already Dichong, and he was taking between two players.
Sure,
Skomota
exactly.
and Daddy
And Mbutu.
And
Sure.
Mbutu.
That was the context.
Yes. It was like that for me. It doesn't rate. Skomota. That's why he said, let's keep on playing.
That's what we know. That's what we know.
And
Mbutu,
you know,
my
in
God.
Donna, I can even justify that. And I did say, playing Mbuthuma, you will score. The next game, he will score. He played now, he scored. You can throw in Skomota next 10 games fire and not score one goal.
Let me show you another thing. So dlula la mapakani. Ghost if like akakufuni, not in a bad way. Ghost akamfuni uHothu. Yes, I'm correcting Ghost ukuthi asbalance. Yenzakala kulona kulo ayenzakala. Ngiyangithola, that's what I was saying.
How uthini? Because
Ngithi
you don't make your point.
if uGhost akafuni player akalifuni and akashintshi. uGhost ufuna undaba noma uHothu angadlala Grand, uGhost ufuna indaba. Ngithi uSkomota noma angadlala Grand, uGhost uzofuna uMbuthuma. That's what I'm saying.
Okay, uskomota udlale Grand.
Mara
Ntanga, you are just throwing things now to justify when Alento fire bekakubuza.
Mina, you know, I was like don't want Sagandwan.
Sure.
Remember last season?
Yeah.
Ghost used to cry, hey Keshi this, hey Keshi
Sure.
this, Keshi this.
Yeah.
But this season, he's the first one to say, let's give Keshi a tag.
Sure.
One turn.
Keshi is doing well. Keshi.
Sure.
Sometimes it's those consecutive bad performances that makes you
Sure.
I don't wanna see this guy.
Yeah.
I just don't wanna. But sometimes we can't convince again.
Sure.
Guy 3, 4, 5,
Yeah.
6 games.
Yeah.
Skomota won't give you 6 games.
No, that's what I'm trying to
consecutively
Mustem Lam.
good performances. Young Zone.
I'm taking it, but
Now for me,
I'm taking it. But I'm saying to answer you, did not play so well. He must not start against Sundowns.
Yeah.
Mbuthuma he played so well. Akadlala.
No, Mina, it wasn't even about Mbuthuma. It was Radio Man, and does it deserve to be on the bench? Maybe does Radio Man need maybe a Pumera, that Pezulu, a pension, and then he must go there. Because I think he's not competing with Mbuthuma at the moment. Sure. You know Mbuthuma is edging him there. Is our number 9. Sure. But I'm saying at the bench as well. But there's still competition.
But
Radio Man must come there.
But ngizobuya ngisho ukhuluma ngeexperience. leyo hlala ukhuluma ngayo his experience. He has been playing so many campaigns. We need him there.
That's a fair shout.
We need him there.
Experience, will it'll just edge Radio Man. But if it was a small game, I think Radio Man if it should have been there
Sure.
on the bench.
But Buffett never fit into experience, but not to labor on this a lot. Buffett.
Sure.
Experience Buffett, you can't buy experience. And I feel like if it to penalize a player on the fact that I have experience in it is not really fair for me.
Yeah.
You penalize it because this guy is better than me.
Sure.
Can't penalize her because this guy has more experience than me. So for me at the moment, if we say let's compare Skomota and Radio Man, let's not use experience factor to say let's put in there or can say Radio Man mo le re ka stole goalnyana re mkenye maybe as a sub 3 games re bone he won't give us 1 goal.
I hear you.
But Coast in Donna like it, that's why I keep on
Usho kamnandi
I did
so you can, and that's true. You can buy it. And
You must earn it gradually. You want to even those big games in fact. You must get so in fact, even when you're an accountant working on a big file, you wanna put someone with experience. You can put a junior there. A junior gradually we introduce him. This is a big file. One mistake. Watch how one told. Why not you just capture the cash book? One told like it. Don't do too much file. One told like it. No, that's how I look at it.
No, but like I feel like football is a bit different because they were talking talent. One told. Not necessarily an administrative.
Talent. It's not only talent.
No, let me finish my point.
Okay,
I'm saying football, like, we compare accounting, the way you compare thing. I feel like you're missing the talent thing.
Okay, but this, again, I was putting it at the experience element, or experience that's where it comes. So if you are not used to playing against a sold out affair, you don't know the atmosphere. You want to we can put you there and then you shaggy stage fright. Once people are booing you, all of a sudden you're having a pet game.
Sure. But my context was that
if you're playing better, you must play.
Radio Man, give him some time as a sub, give him maybe 3 games and see or he won't give you a goal there. I'm
not disputing. If it was another game, I'd put in Radio Man. But because of its Sundowns, I'd still put in. He has a shout. I still put in a Skomota there. Why? Because he has done it before. He has witnessed a lot of big games. Like another, he won't be shaken. He'll just do his thing.
So we must assume that this one will be shaken on the premises that he's never played there. Can you see
not goes to like I check like probability. When you put you for the first time, you haven't been doing it, and then when you put me for I've been doing it for a lot of time. So when you check probability, who's gonna do better? Maybe get that 15 minutes that you wanna get.
Yeah, that's like it, Donna, when you generalize it. But when you speak in football terms, there's talent. No, that's like there's talent and that's ability thing. There's that in your you can do this, you are talented. So for me to say or to penalize on the fact your own experience, it's a bit shortcoming.
You'll get it over time. You'll get it over time. You'll get it over time, Coast. I didn't get your rating in Tanga Force. Come on.
No, dlale bad. Mfethu awungiphe wena yakho.
Eh?
Awungiphe wena yakho.
Oh. 2. It's a 1. He showed up.
Yeah. Like it, there's nothing else you can give him.
He showed up. For me, it's a
how are you
1.
gonna justify it? Or anything else? How are you gonna justify it?
It's a 1 for me. It's a 1.
Mkafoka.
Okay.
Imkafo bafethu. How?
Justification?
Yang justify.
Are you not saying it was a bad performance?
It was bad.
So 4 is not bad. It's not bad,
Yini
mfethu.
4?
It's just below average 4.
Ntanga, it was not that too
4
bad. Ukuthi
mfethu.
uzomgaya 1.
Oh, 4 mfethu.
Mara,
Isikele ibile phasa ka 30%.
Sure.
That's still a
Still
pass.
bad.
Akonje ubani ushayela
yeah,
lapha
yeah,
ku comment section awusize lapho masans asandile awusize imka 4 ka.
Ndoda beste mlobwa. Mara mfethu ushawa na ivote fika.
ematsojo tsa ka re rena re na le di-favorite player.
Ntwana.
Mara ka imka 4 1. Ka Umbuthuma Mnotsi has been playing so bad performances imgama 6. Umbuthuma lo udlala lokudlala bad imgama 6 mfethu.
Bad.
This bad.
Hayi this bad mara from like Umbuthuma kula ma performance mesimga 6 usikomota no simga 1.
That's a 1 mfethu. Like that's a 1.
Azo comment
Limbuthuma vie sometimes ki supply. That guy had plenty of supply.
Sure.
It 4 chances mfethu.
It's a 1.
It's not a 4.
it's fine.
PFTV khulumile.
Mina kodwa ngiboni 4.
No, PFTV khulumile
Angiboni
mfethu.
4.
That's a 1 out of 10 mfethu. Moving on to Msendami, came in for a policy 69 minutes.
4 naye.
Yeah.
I do not want to say izinto ezibhaya ngaye. 4 ucoach naye kamrestise.
Coach, I think him introduce her like gradually into the way the way like a new player is supposed to be introduced to the idea. So,
Telling jokes.
but I don't know if it,
He hasn't been giving the right performances.
Yeah.
But I wouldn't falter the coach.
Yeah,
we bought the player and I think we want to see him.
Yeah.
And we've had a lot of Buccaneers saying well, the ability is there.
Yeah, he has the ability.
So I think it's just for him to
But
just
it's
pop out of
joking,
his
it's
shell.
Yeah.
Can do better, you know him. Can do better.
So you're saying his performance is the same as Komota's performance?
Yeah, now you told Lily here one day that we are cheaper lapha.
Oh yeah. But it's just one.
Uthola ama chances ayingakhi. Nalela shaya phezulu kwamapali mikathi ushaya umlilo la. Yini no yini ngitshele yini iyenzile. Yini
Hey, I thought it is your spare.
maka yini uzomga 6 yena.
No, not a 6. But I'm just saying, Uti, I don't think him and Skomota gave in like same performances.
Yini iyenzile. That's what I'm asking. Yini iyenzile yenza ukuthi usho kanjalo. Tell me.
Yeah. That's a difficult one.
Marantona,
He didn't do much.
He didn't do much, but at least he was better. Antona, he tried to pass Nyana, link up passes Nyana. Even that shot that you're saying went over the bar.
Yeah.
That was a good attempt.
Yeah.
So that's what you want from a winger.
Yeah.
Sure.
So for now, I would say he wasn't fantastic.
So uzomupha ngakhe.
I would give him a 4, just maybe a 5 or a 1.
Lina, I'm not saying I totally agree with the 4, but
Sure.
I'm just saying
Sure.
it's not the same as
Yeah.
Komota.
Yeah.
Komota
Give
was
us
terrible.
nothing. Yeah.
That guy wasn't terrible. He came, he did a job. He wasn't his day, young son.
True.
Yeah. But I'll take it 4.
Yeah, I'll take a 4.
Yeah. Moving on to MasterChef, 69 minutes came in for Nomtachera.
Let him cook.
Mfethu yapheka leya. Hey coach wadu lento yakho eyazidingi. Siyalida mos. Happy hour mos.
Yeah.
Ngithi umfakile ngaleso sikhathi. Shikisha mfethu kancane.
Yeah.
Mfethu uMaster Chef uyakhona ukujabulisa isigodi. Kanti wena wangajabuli coach, jabula nawe. Sina we happy.
Happy
Mfethu.
New Year, no. Awujabuli kanjani no.
Be happy bafethu.
Awujabuli
Master
kanjani.
Chef played so well. Kunala maphasi lami ngawashaya side okay kunaleli leya limshaya ekhanda. Mara hlisa udishile some few passes. Mfethu hayi angikhala kakhulu ngumka 7.
I think it was a 7. And our coach, we did it when we were losing, throwing. he wasn't giving this energy.
Yeah,
This player, so and so. And then he
Man,
wants you.
ah.
You win in 3-0, you want to
Extra,
give us
eh.
this energy.
Why
Like,
so,
what are you
Lola?
trying to
That's
do?
a good
And
point,
so,
was it?
Why is
like, what are
so?
you trying to do? Fit? What like it?
Sure.
Coach of serious. MasterChef had a good game.
Sure.
It was a 7 out of 10 performance. He did what MasterChef normally does.
Sure.
He cooks.
He cooks.
Simple cooks. And I think it was a 7 as well.
Yeah, I will agree as well.
Yeah, moving on to Mariko, but it didn't have a lot of minutes, 88 minutes.
Awungenile
Okay,
nawe
say.
kuthinta kancane yabo.
Yeah,
And I think uyabelieve nakumariko kakhulu coach wethu. There's that belief.
yeah,
Uyazi ukuthi ubonane negroundini. But mina I'll even say he's not a bad player Mariko. Yabo.
He's not.
Yeah, now you think nje just a game time. Cause like akabanga ne game time udlala M10-8 wadlala a few games then he was dropped yabo. So naye ngamgaya just average nothing to cry about kuye. Ayikho into engishiya ukuthi Mariko ngabe ngiyamsola.
yeah.
Just give him a 5.
Average performance goes to a standard 5, ne?
Yeah, nothing to argue with there.
Yeah, nothing much, yeah. I think Vele coach must play him like so, and so like I would 88 minutes.
88, 89.
Let him gain his confidence, and so.
Yeah. Angasamisi ngara. Ukuthi
Awuzobulawa ibench kana.
so shuji.
Hayi, yabona masekacala futhi amdlalisa ku 20 minutes. Ekula ngizokwata khona.
Let's go nini.
Thola ke re nila goal utwana. Wajona. At least awona ile 3-0. 70 minutes yomkile wabona.
Yeah, no problem.
Hey, tsitsayi wajona.
Yeah,
Not tempa ile dari nila goal.
Sure.
Ukokena shayisa score modazi wajona. So frustrated. Wajona. Moving on to our friends now.
100.
100. Yeah. Beautiful riding, fun.
Outing.
Beautiful outing.
Yeah.
Hey,
Even on the
raid, kirkitara. Hey. Mapagania was a mess. Kitty, Mapagania. Yo, you pose Scotini soft. Yo.
Na the pop-up shop yabo mfethu. Did you see bashaya kanjani mvula?
Hey, nona kibo.
Yes.
People were complaining. Yeah. Some paid, they didn't get their merchandise. Because them full of nayicala vele nayicala seyicala
Ayishayile.
yo nanga yo that's bad mfethu ngithola ghost uvale li likhavazela so kila khavazela na saliyo no tomata ntwana ne
Yeah.
shayela mfethu
Sure.
like labantu bagive upile ndanga
Ngishayile like
ngibabheke
straight.
kanje
Sibambile,
yabashaya
Ay,
ntanga like
shayile.
bayazokhela mfethu
Yazi
abana
ukuthi-
ne stress
Zethendeni ngisifihlile ngala laba babhayisa ama-dog ngiyasho ukuthi eyasho lembule
uphume vele masekathi yathula
sengcono hayi ngithintanga kakhulu
ne
ama-blessings ghost
Uyabona ndoda.
Ibusiso.
Ni-scoreline samsangena kanjalo mfethu.
sengikhohliwe yo
Sofithi lapho.
It was meant to be.
sikajaka
Get there. Moving to the referee of the day. Phila ngenkosi Khumalo. Phila
ngamgaya
ngenkosi.
hayi mina ngimsolo Mr Ref
Yeah.
angibonanga nokuthi mekakhona
Yeah. I don't know what to do. Yeah. I agree with the 8 as well, cause no.
Yeah, nothing to argue about there.
Yeah. Moving on to the giant in the room, Mr. Mlambo. Yeah, sikakafiki la. We still on the Mamelodi Sundowns game.
Eish.
Giant elephant in the room, Mr. Mlambo. You really need a 3 points of it. 3 points of it. And I'll say it in Donna Coast. We beat Sundowns, it's done.
Chai.
It's done. For me, it's done.
Ngibona mthuthu nje so
Let's go to Shire. Let's do it.
Sure.
And in fact, coach, Sundowns is not a good team, coach. They are not. They used to be a good team. Not anymore. They're one of the teams that you're coaching, Orlando Pirates. That's the good team, best squad,
currently
talent, everything. Even well coached, in fact. You've
Sure.
been coaching these boys very well. Don't fear this Mamelodi Sundowns team. You can beat this team, coach. We must go there and dominate FNP. In fact, we'll even have numbers there. You know, most of the supporters there, 80% will be Orlando Pirates.
9.
Let's go there and destroy Mamelodi Sundowns. There's one of and give them a statement win. You'll see. They want to start resting players, Molly King, save them for Cape.
Sure.
They want
But
to
to
change
give up,
their
yeah.
priorities.
Yeah.
Let's go there and beat this Sundowns team. They're not a good team, Mr. Mlambo. At all.
akasekho babu Rivero
Yeah,
umuntu
ngizwa
wayehlupha loyo wayesithwala
Sure.
ubani ozosithwala there's no mshishi there
no
umshishi
mshishi,
uyalimala
sure.
thina mfethu indaba ucoach wethu yinto engidina ngayo lapha kumele abe yileader
Sure.
abe
sure,
arrogant
sure,
akabi.
sure.
On the things that's unnecessary, he wants to be arrogant. Let's go, coach. You said it. He has been coaching the boys so well. Mfethu ngale 11 le ngiyishilo. Really a police let them Tito noma ngaqala ngaphandle, it doesn't matter. Makambatha and Cash, we need them there. Masiqala sibasabi. Coast abana next
Abana
laba
next,
Bana
laba.
lama
weak,
player abangale singaboni ukuthi ayenzani.
Yeah.
I like him to. They are playing with 2 right backs. I was checking the lineup.
Utsapelo Murena.
Kim Rena
Leslie.
Limda. One tour. And then we have Muremi there. We have a police. One tour. These guys.
Matha there zo unleash.
Mfethu.
Mfethu.
Uri to thusa ke bo riding. Uri to thusa ke bo te wo mkwena mfethu.
And coach in the first game if na ile aggressive. And Risha Sundowns.
Ni Risha
Those two games
Sundowns.
dlale nabo kayi 3
Sure.
1-1 check lawo ma game mihlale sibuya second half especially ku M10-8
Sure.
because mesaba
They
okay
suck.
there we would
Yeah.
understand because the team was not doing so well yabo approach yakhe okay mara na team seyakhula mfethu asibalande ndo
Balane mfethu.
Manje akana excuse imele siye ku.
Sibalane mfethu. And please coach man, no experiments mfethu. Please mfethu. Let's keep it standard.
Kuke ngokona kwayiba mekazoqala ngokwayiba
I'm already predicting ukuthi 2 defensive 6. Umbheke uyofaka uMariko no Cash.
hayi defensive yakhe yazubani omunye uMasindi
Mtajela, yeah.
azothatha uMasindi
Or abafake bayi3 lapha center kanjani.
Fana, this guy, fana, if he messes the starting lineup, fana, I don't know, fana. I don't know, fana.
somxoxa
I don't know. Mr. Mlambo, just give us your quick 11, please, set 11.
bayibukela labantu lento we don't change a winning team especially in the league yes we go Galants misingayishintsha because Galants I don't think baya smash but iSundowns nayo basmash but ngifuna leya mfethu Van Rooyen back no chain lapha emapalini Sibisi go back Siema go back Ndaba I can start the usual ngamqalisa uNdaba from the performance akayigayile akaqale mfethu Cash Mbatha we have Relay and Police amathwina ngithi bamba boy2
Yeah.
uTutu no Andile then we have Muremi we can go back no Muremi doesn't matter we have on the right okay we have Mbuthuma seyiphelele
Tito deserves a shout.
but uTito if uzofaka uTito fanele kuyise laba bayi2 uTutu no Andile emasayidini then ufaka uTito lapha
Hey, you take a police there.
mina I would want to see that second half and I know man lo coach ngeke amfaka uTito but asas
Yeah. What do you think, coach? I'm not convinced by Mr. Mlambo. I think that's starting 11.
Yeah, I think enough to Dago 10. I throw Tito fit.
Throw Tito.
ukhipha nge 34 minutes futhi
Fit. Hopefully, again, fit. If you put in a good performance like you did, fit. Well, Tito da, and then a surprise that I would do now fit to get ready. Chabatani for Portland. Yeah, Chabatani for Portland. Portland, Nandanga Jayam. Bakandile bakwenzeni
Mara, this is a big game, coach.
I'm experiment la
I'm changing. It's a big game.
experiment,
Yeah.
I'm
Maybe another game.
Namfana Sanzani Kicho mfethu that boy.
It's good akho
I know it's good. Yeah.
kodwa
Like and play.
Let's
I'm
say
in so mufayo game anyanya the small
Bonile
games.
Ubhekile,
Throw
mfethu
it.
alimele mfethu wabuyela mfethu
Hey Podlela uzwe si scream lapho uchabatsani sekakhumula ndoda lathele.
ayabuyela
Hayi what yeah. Phela umsebenzi phela so.
Yeah, no, I just swap Ndaba for Dionoto for this game. I also bring in Tito Masanganye for that day for Murray. I mean, Murray Fitz hasn't been doing much. He's doing a lot of running, but nothing. Young so
Sure.
I think Tito Fit has been raising his hand.
Who are gonna
Give
be your
Tito
subs?
young so Murray stay.
And who like who bona long akushintshe the game. Phela ngithi you must manage the game well.
Yeah.
That's why fanele kube nebhamu owazi ukuthi if ngifaka lo at least kuzoshukuma nje kancane.
Yeah, but you know, yeah, Master Chef is there as well. But you know me, when I approach the game, I start with the strongest team, young sure. And then from the bench, I can check who can change the game. I don't start the game thinking who from the bench can change the game, young yeah. That's my thinking. If you go there with the strongest team, you get first 3 goals, young you don't even have to stress about who's gonna come in and change the game anymore.
Yeah. I hear you.
Let's go strong.
And that's Wadu's mentality sometimes, or that used to be his mentality.
Yeah. Sometimes. Sometimes.
I'm gonna do this up at this time. Ushebele mbatha phela unalo msapa jwalo. Wabona right. It's not program. Based on the game until it's program. Just that I decided even before the game, sure. Right? Mbatha 60 minutes out.
Yeah. You can move on to prediction. Mopagani, I'll go first because I'm at the top of the table.
Also, Shiloh go pay.
I'll Shiloh.
Then we shall prediction after.
Okay, you can do the log.
I think now we are on 20. On double check it.
Check for you, Chief.
Yeah. Or you can announce it, Kara.
Bayatanisha because mabe win.
Hayi.
So our log Mopagani, this is how it stands. We have Fire, top of the table. Okay, we start with Ghost. Okay, Fire. Hey, but I'm not used to it. Fire with obviously we predict. Fire predicted 2-0, ne?
Sure.
And then he's gonna get 1 point because he got the correct prediction, not the correct score.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna move from 25 to 26.
Sure.
Yeah. And then Ghost will move to, but he's been on second place.
Yeah.
Yeah, but he'll gain a bit of ground on Fire. He got the correct score and the correct prediction, and therefore will end 3 points. So we'll move from 22
to 25.
Yeah. And then Mr. Mlambo predicted 1-0, ne?
Yeah.
So he got the correct prediction, but not the correct score. So therefore he'll get 1 point. He'll move from 22 to 23.
Yeah.
So the points is Fire 26, Ghost 25, Nemo 23.
Hey.
It's gaining some ground.
Ijalo lenda.
It's gaining some ground.
Kengasho.
I'm getting worried.
I'm worried.
Take must be
2-1 win to Orlando Pirates.
Umzili.
Yeah.
Umzili.
2-1.
One it's okay.
Aye. Paganeo Chilo, Tibo Saret. Sundowns is not that bad of it. They are number 2 for us.
2-0 to Orlando Pirates, mapagani. Landu kwasho wakho futhi.
2-1 to Orlando Pirates.
Ngibonile it's strategic. You are gaining some ground on goal.
Bayakora indaba labo mabedlala nathi.
Not this time, man. Not this time.
On the end of we reached the end of the show, Mapagani. Please continue to come on. Am I missing something?
No.
Oh. Yeah, please continue to like, share, and subscribe, Mapagani. Mr. Mlambo.
Mfethu, thanks for the love. 2026 has been good for us. Pirates here winner.
Yeah.
Nande Arena. Ukhala ngani Ghost? Baqhubeke ba-engage, ba-like, ba-share. So bahlaba nge back again and again and again and again.
again.
Akubiste Mlambo channel yamapagania le bafethu ningasabi bafethu inketshani lapho kuma comments share your views nathi sila nje we are sharing our views bafethu so nani ningasabi uma uzwa ubona I content ivela noma ku Facebook ku YouTube anywhere feel free pagania ufake yakho iopinion akekho ozokutshela bafethu yeah asingeva la bafethu bopha
Bopha.
upa